Hello, I'm Rob Decker. Most of you that come on these Facebook groups and post and comment, you're looking to be here to help and to learn. Tom Cermak, that's an IICRC approved instructor, has begun putting on a show that's going to be held every Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. We're going to do a live show, and it will also be recorded just in case Thursday night at 7:30 isn't a great time for you. But at 7:30 Central, Thursday nights, we usually don't do a show if we have a holiday that week, but otherwise we're going to be doing it, and we will post the show on Facebook groups for you to watch later if you're not able to come during that time. But you have a unique opportunity for joining us on the live show. I'm someone who's been involved with teaching online for 20 years. Tom Cermak has been teaching longer than that. So together we hope to build a community of people who, we really want to stand with each other, help each other, learn from each other. Very, very important. We're going to foster a community where you can ask questions. We can use your pictures from Facebook groups or pictures you send us to help you and other people that may be in your situation. The real point I'm trying to make here is that we need you. We will have situations picked out where we have pictures that we can talk about and how we would handle certain situations, all of that. But you will be encouraged to send us your pictures or post your pictures on Facebook groups and ask the community for help. And then we'll talk about the whole thing on the show, right? So it's just going to be a great time. Come join us Thursday nights at 7:30 p.m. Central is when we're going to go live. And we usually don't have the show a week of a week on a holiday, remember, but otherwise we'll be there and we're going to be talking about what we all love, right? So please join us. We'd love to see you. Again, we'll have a Facebook or a Zoom meeting format is where it's going to be. So we'll go through that Thursday nights at 7:30. Everybody have a good day. See you tomorrow night.